In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use virtual credit card on Capital One. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing and using a virtual credit card on Capital One Bank is a super simple process. All you have to do is download the latest version of the Capital One mobile app and sign in using your credentials. Inside of the app, when you have access to all of your accounts and credit cards, you will be able to find the virtual card number, security code, expiration date, etc. that you can use to make purchases online or in store. All that you have to do is log into your account like I mentioned and tap on the specific card that you would like to view the virtual number for. For most cards, it is going to be at the bottom when you scroll down, but for this venture card, for example, you may find it at the top. All that you have to do is look for the option to see the virtual card details when you tap on any credit card that you have, and all the details will be available to you instantly. You might also get additional options like add it to Amazon or link it to a digital wallet. But as long as you see the details of the card there when you select digital card, you will be able to use it for online purchases anytime you select credit card as a payment method. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many credit cards as you have on Capital One, and the details about those cards will always be available when you go over to the card details windows. Just make sure that you tap on it when you sign into your account, and if you encounter any issues while trying to do this, make sure that the card is properly attached to your account, and if you do not see it, call their customer support. They will be able to guide you through the process or assist you if a credit card is not appearing on your account when you log in the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a virtual credit card on Capital One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.